First of all, even though the official expiry is on a certain date, you don't have to wait till the last minute. I renewed mine 17 days early and it went through smoothly. But here's the catch. The moment you complete the renewal, no matter how many days are still left, that very day becomes day one of your new Mulkiya. So if you're thinking you'll get those leftover days added, forget it. Once you hit confirm and pay, the new cycle starts immediately. So plan smartly. Now let's go through the main steps. Everything is done online except for 2 moments where you physically need to show up. One is at a vehicle testing center like Tasjeel, and the other is when you collect your Mulkiya card from an RTA kiosk, unless you choose delivery. Start by logging into your RTA account. Use UAE Pass, Emirates ID number, or your RTA credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Licensing, Vehicles, then select your vehicle and choose View Vehicle Actions, tap on More Services, and finally select Renew Vehicle License. This option only appears if your renewal window is open, which usually is about 30 days before expiry.
Next comes the vehicle inspection. You'll need to book an appointment at a nearby approved center. I always recommend choosing one close to home because if there's any issue or observation during the test, you can fix it and quickly come back to show the correction. The test costs AED 170, and it's like a health checkup for your car. RTA wants to make sure your vehicle is roadworthy. They check your tires, brakes, lights, emissions, and more. Once the test is done, you'll get a payment link via SMS. Pay it and you'll see your result. If you passed, great! Move on to the next step. If not, the technician will tell you what to fix. You'll have 3 days to return and show that the issue is resolved. When you go back, just park in the test bay and tell the officer you came to show a fixed observation. They'll recheck only that part. And if satisfied, they'll update your result to passed in the RTA system, and you'll also get a confirmation SMS.
Now the inspection is done, leave the center, log back into your RTA dashboard, and you'll usually get a pop-up asking, "Are you continuing the ongoing registration renewal?" Click Yes, and it'll resume where you left off. The next step is insurance. Most brokers give you 13 months, so you may still have valid insurance during renewal. If yes, it'll automatically appear in the system. If the system says no insurance found, then call your insurance provider immediately and ask them to push it to RTA system. It's usually a small delay. But very important, don't start a new insurance policy in the middle of the renewal process. If the new policy cancels the old one before it syncs properly, your insurance status might go blank, and it will delay your renewal. Always finish the Mulkiya renewal first, then renew your insurance if needed, but leave a small buffer for syncing.
The next section is about vehicle number plates, but you can skip this unless your plate is damaged or missing. You already have a valid plate, so no action needed here. Then comes the delivery method. You can choose home delivery takes 2 to 3 days, or pick it up from an RTA kiosk, which I personally recommend. The kiosk method is super fast, self-service, and usually takes under 1 minute to print the card. Just check the kiosk timings before going. Not all of them are 24/7. After choosing the delivery option, review the final page and make your payment. The total is AED 370. 350 for registration, plus 20 for knowledge innovation fees. After payment, you'll get an instant confirmation message and a PDF download option for your new Mulkiya. You can save it as a soft copy on your phone for now. If you selected kiosk pickup, just head to the nearest RTA kiosk, insert your Emirates ID, follow the simple touchscreen steps, and you'll get your card printed in less than a minute. No staff needed.
Quick summary of steps. 1. Start from RTA portal. 2. Book and complete the vehicle inspection, AED 170. 3. Confirm insurance is showing. 4. Skip plate section, unless needed. 5. Choose delivery method, kiosk recommended. 6. Pay AED 370 and download the e-card. 7. Visit kiosk and print your card. Done. That's it. Mulkiya renewed start to finish. No middlemen, no drama, just a smooth process if you plan it right.